Okay, we're back at it again. We had the camera on the passenger side that went out. We changed it. This is the camera on the driver's side that went out. Didn't actually go out, but it was giving a really bad picture. And I shot video of it, but for some reason it did not come out well, so I can't show you that. We're using a 5/32 Allen wrench here to remove this bottom plate that's at the bottom of the mirror. And that's how we'll access part of the camera. The wire for the camera actually goes through the arm going to the coach, and we'll take three Allen head screws that are 4 millimeter. So you need both SAE and metric Allen heads to get this off. Once we take this off, then you'll see where the camera goes, and we'll remove it with a Phillips screwdriver. There's one short screw, one long screw that holds that cap in place. Now we're going to use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the camera out of here. Then we're going to have to remove the bracket on there. It's actually star bit. I need to figure out what size. I'll be back shortly. Okay, yes, it is a star bit, and it is a T10. So, and luckily I was able to find one that I had in my drill setup. All right. So we've got that part off. Then we are going to use I think it's a 4 millimeter Allen head. To remove this case right here. There's actually 3 of them in here. I think it's really strange that you can't get the parts through Velvac. RV Parts Center did have same part number, so I sure am hoping that that's the correct thing. I'll know it when I get it in this afternoon. Should be here in a couple of hours. It's coming through the mail. See, that one didn't drop out. I hope I got it unscrewed far enough. That center screw stayed in there, but that's okay. All right. bring you in for a closer look. This right here is the wire for the camera. So I'm going to unplug it, and I've got, like I did the last time, weed eater string that I'm going to attach and then pull the camera through. And then we'll have the weed eater string to pull the new wire back in. Okay, I've got the weed eater string attached here, and we're going to begin pulling that through. And there it is. So that is the old camera removed. I'm just going to tape this here. So I don't pull it through, hopefully. Alright. So all we need now is a new camera.
No, I just mean in general. We're gonna go.
Okay. The new camera came in. So this is only a few minutes since I took the old one out. So what we're going to do is we are going to attach it to the weed eater string. With a little bit of tape. Shouldn't take much. Alright, I'm going to feed this up in here. And we got it through. Alright. I'm going to leave that attached right now. We are going to put the bracket back on. I'm going to need 3.5 hands for this. And this is a tiny screw that you do not want to drop. At least started the screws. Okay, so we've got that. my trusty weed eater string. Okay, got it plugged in. And for some reason I lost the video of the beginning showing the bad looking camera view, and we are now going to go in there and see if we can get a good camera view. Oh, now that's a pretty picture. That's what it looks like with the new camera. It's not in place, that's why it's pointing straight down. But it's a good, clean picture. Let's finish installing it. Okay, so now we are going to hopefully not realize that I lost the Phillips screw. There it is. And we're going to put the camera in place. If you're enjoying the video, please hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment below, and be sure to smash that like button. Thank you. Okay, I got it all back assembled. Things were not going well, and I said quite a few choice adjectives, so and some of them might have been adverbs. So that has been omitted, and now we're going to test it out. Okay. That's the right camera. And we'll go back to home. And the left camera. That is really clear. So much better. I really enjoy having these cameras when I'm changing lanes on the interstate.